Alright guys, I just want to show you how much rubber lines actually exist on the front. ABS lines on a 2017 GSXR1000R, and why I really don't believe there's much benefit in changing the line pretty much until it comes out the triple tree or out of the fork, near the forks. Alright, so it's rubber from here to down here on the frame. That's a rubber line. It's steel all the way back to here, and then this little section right here, about 4 inches, maybe 6, is rubber. Everything else is steel on the front until it comes out here at the bottom clamp for the forks. So essentially you have steel lines except for right there. That's why I'm not sure I believe changing to stainless steel lines is going to help much in the feel. I'm probably eventually going to do it, or because I have them. I just don't think it's going to be much improvement.